There are 3 ways to make a woman desire you without even touching her. It's all about showing her that you're a man with the qualities she's looking for. Now, every woman has different preferences, right? True. But you should also know that there are certain traits and characteristics in a man that almost all women find attractive. If you possess these 3 traits, I guarantee that any woman will be drawn to you. 1. Courage to face danger. Instinctively, women are attracted to men who are willing to take risks, who aren't afraid to face danger in any situation, including stepping out of their comfort zones. It's no wonder that women are drawn to men who demonstrate courage and take action. You can often tell these men apart by how they move and speak. They move calmly and confidently, never appearing nervous or rushed. They are always composed and self-assured. When they speak, they get straight to the point and don't worry about what others think. Men with these qualities exude a sense of bravery, wildness, and sexiness, which naturally makes them attractive to women. Remember, the courage here refers to positive actions. 2. A man who's hard to predict. In relationships, women enjoy mystery and the thrill of the unknown. They're drawn to things that keep them curious. On the flip side, they dislike monotony, which can make them feel bored. That's why women often crave men whose actions are hard to predict. This ties into the secret of satisfying a woman. She experiences fulfillment and pleasure when she goes through a range of emotions. A man who is unpredictable masters this because his mysterious nature keeps a woman constantly intrigued and eager to know more. You can cultivate this by maintaining a certain level of aloofness. Remember, your life isn't just about tending to a woman. Give her attention, but don't overdo it, because even she won't appreciate it. If you have time, show her some attention, but if you have more important matters to attend to, don't hesitate to ignore her. Make yourself unpredictable by not spending too much time with her. Give her the chance to think about you, wonder where you are, what you're doing, and who you're with. When a woman starts doing this, it means you've successfully piqued her interest and made her seriously attracted to you. In truth, women deeply enjoy the moments when they're guessing what you're up to, where you are, and who you're with. 3. A man with a dominant personality. This also relates to women's natural instincts. They like to be led. If you can master this, you'll become attractive to every woman, although exuding leadership isn't easy. Some people are naturally born with it, while others have to develop it through practice. Take a look at yourself. Do you already project a dominant personality that women can see? If not, you can work on it with a few strategies. For example, learn to lead in an organization, engage in conversations with people you don't know, or start small. When you take a woman out, you decide where you're going, what you'll eat, and what activities you'll do. By making these behaviors a habit, your leadership aura and dominant character will shine through when interacting with others. This will make a woman feel comfortable and protected when she's around you, and she'll see you as someone she can rely on as a partner. Conclusion. You can make a woman desire you without even touching her by showing her that you possess these 3 qualities. 1. Courage to face danger. 2. Unpredictable actions. 3. A dominant character. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful.